Welcome to our journey through the solar system, our cosmic home among hundreds of other stellar systems in the vast Milky Way galaxy. Though just a tiny speck in the universe, this place holds countless wonders. Our story began about 4.5 billion years ago, when a massive cloud of gas and dust collapsed under gravity, forming a spinning disk known as the solar nebula. From this, the sun and planets gradually took shape, giving birth to the solar system as we know it today. We live in the Orion arm of the Milky Way, where our sun, a relatively ordinary G-type star, is one of the lucky few to host its own planetary system. Orbiting it are 8 planets, each a unique world, spinning gracefully in the cosmic dance. The sun is the star at the center of our solar system, and the primary source of energy that sustains life on Earth. With a diameter of over 1.39 million kilometers, about 109 times that of Earth, the sun accounts for 99.8% of the total mass of the entire solar system. It's composed mainly of hydrogen and helium and constantly produces energy through a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing an immense amount of energy. The surface temperature of the sun is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core reaches over 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. This powerful energy not only warms the Earth, but also drives weather, climate, and the water cycle. The sun also influences space phenomena such as auroras, solar storms, and the activity of surrounding planets. Although it is just an ordinary star among billions in the universe, to us, the sun is a silent hero that tirelessly provides light and warmth, making life on Earth possible. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and the smallest in the solar system. It has a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers and completes a full orbit around the sun in just 88 Earth days. Despite being so close to the sun, Mercury doesn't retain much heat due to its lack of atmosphere, causing dramatic temperature swings from scorching hot up to 430 degrees Celsius during the day to freezing cold, down to negative 180 degrees Celsius at night. Its surface is rocky and heavily cratered, resembling Earth's moon. Mercury has no moons or rings. One of its most unique features is its slow rotation. One day on Mercury, sunrise to sunrise, lasts 176 Earth days. The planet's thin exosphere is composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. But it doesn't provide protection from solar radiation. Due to its proximity to the sun, Mercury can only be seen shortly before sunrise or after sunset, often appearing as a bright star. Though small and seemingly lifeless, Mercury plays a key role in helping us understand the early formation of rocky planets in our solar system. Venus, the hostile planet. Venus, the second planet from the sun, is often called the morning star or evening star because it shines brightly at dawn and dusk. Though similar in size to Earth, its environment is extremely harsh. Toxic atmosphere, mostly CO2, causing a runaway greenhouse effect with surface temperatures reaching 470 degrees Celsius, the hottest in the solar system. Crushing pressure, 92 times Earth's, enough to crush spacecraft within hours. Backward slow spin. One rotation takes 243 Earth days, and it spins in the opposite direction of most planets. Venus's surface is covered in volcanoes and rocky plains, with no liquid water. Missions like NASA's Magellan and JAXA's Akatsuki have uncovered some of its secrets. Studying Venus also provides warnings about Earth's climate future. Earth, the living planet. Earth, the third planet from the sun, is the only known world to harbor life in the universe. This remarkable planet has a diameter of 12,742 kilometers and features a unique geological structure consisting of continental crust, a molten mantle, and a metallic core that generates a protective magnetic field. Key characteristics: perfect atmosphere, composed of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen, the ideal mixture for sustaining life, unique water system. 70% of the surface is covered by oceans that regulate global climate, unparalleled biodiversity, home to more than 8 million species of life. Precise movements, 24-hour rotation creates day-night cycle. 365-day orbit produces seasonal changes. Earth's single natural satellite, the Moon, helps stabilize our planet's axial tilt and creates ocean tides. Currently, our world faces significant challenges including climate change, environmental pollution, and biodiversity loss, requiring global cooperation to protect this precious planet. Mars, the red planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide rust on its surface. It is about half the size of Earth and has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris. Temperatures on Mars are much colder than Earth, with averages around -60 degrees Celsius, -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Although dry and barren today, there's strong evidence that Mars once had liquid water. Ancient riverbeds, lake beds, and ice caps suggest a wetter past. Scientists believe Mars could have once supported microbial life and may still harbor it underground. Mars has two small, irregular moons, Phobos and Deimos. A day on Mars is just over 24 hours, and a year lasts about 687 Earth days. Mars continues to be a major focus for exploration, with rovers and orbiters studying its terrain, weather, and potential for future human settlement. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, so massive it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside. Composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, it's a gas giant with no solid surface. Its most iconic feature, the Great Red Spot, is a massive storm that has raged for centuries. Jupiter's magnetic field is incredibly strong, about 20,000 times that of Earth, and it hosts more than 90 known moons. Among them, Europa is especially intriguing, with its icy crust possibly hiding a subsurface ocean. Another, Io, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Despite its distance, Jupiter plays a vital role in protecting inner planets by diverting asteroids and comets. Its immense presence makes it not only a gravitational guardian, but also a subject of intense scientific interest. With its swirling storms and mysterious moons, Jupiter continues to be a top target for space missions. Saturn, the planet of rings. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and is best known for its vast and stunning ring system. These rings, made of ice and small rocky particles, stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers but are incredibly thin. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a massive gas giant with a layered atmosphere. It has more than 80 moons, with Titan standing out due to its thick atmosphere and methane lakes, potentially harboring conditions for life. Despite being light enough to float in water, Saturn remains a vast and majestic world in our solar system. Uranus, the tilted planet. Uranus is the seventh planet and an icy giant known for its extreme axial tilt. Its rotation is almost horizontal. This unique tilt creates seasons that last for decades. Its pale blue color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere. Uranus has a faint ring system, 27 known moons, and a magnetic field that is tilted and offset from the planet's center. Though it appears calm, Uranus holds many mysteries about its internal structure and atmospheric dynamics. Neptune, the deep blue world. Neptune is the most distant planet in the solar system, with a deep blue hue caused by methane in its atmosphere. Despite its distance from the Sun, Neptune has a surprisingly active climate, with the fastest winds in the solar system. It has 14 moons, the most notable being Triton, which orbits in the opposite direction and may have been a captured Kuiper Belt object. With its great dark spot storm and icy environment, Neptune remains a mysterious world awaiting deeper exploration. With 8 planets, hundreds of moons, millions of minor objects, and countless unsolved mysteries, the solar system is a beautiful symphony of science, space, and life. It's not only where we live, it's the first step in humanity's voyage across the stars. And this is only the beginning. Join us on this journey, because the greatest wonders of the universe are still waiting to be discovered.